Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia and thank you for clicking on this video. For today's video, we are going to do our eyebrows, and without saying much, let's dive into it. So the first thing, you want to make sure your eyebrows are clean, like there's no oil around your eyebrow, because when you use your eye pencil on an eyebrow that has oil, it will glide and it will give you a hard time. So to draw your eyebrows, you're gonna need your brow pencil, and for this process I always prefer you use Davis number 3. And you can see my brow pencil is blunt. Guys, never use your brow pencil when it's like this. Make sure it's sharpened like this to give you a defined line whenever you're lining your eyebrow. Another thing you'll need is your eyebrow brush, guys, and if you don't have this brush, you can use your mascara brush or a spoolie. So at this point, I assume your eyebrows are neatly trimmed and groomed according to the size you want. So you just brush them and make sure they are in line. So after making sure my eyebrows are neatly brushed, I'm just going to underline the lower part using my sharpened eyebrow pencil. And I'm just going to do it neatly and slowly. There's no need to rush this process. And when I'm done lining the lower part, I'll also do the same for the upper part.
Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
Guys, you can see I'm already coming up with a sketch of what I want my eyebrow to look like. At this point, guys, you can start filling in using the same brow pencil, but for me, I want it more defined, so I'll just line my brow using a black eye pencil, and I'm being light-handed with it. And don't ever draw your eyebrows using the black eye pencil only. I'm just brushing my eyebrows and making sure the hair is in place. After that, I'll start filling in my eyebrow. When filling in, be light-handed with the brow pencil, and especially when you are filling in the front part. You don't want to have much of the color at the front part. And for the outer part of my eyebrow, I'll just go in with the brow pencil for Davis number 3. I use that one, and I also use the black eye pencil to give me more color at the end part of my eyebrow. And guys, at this point you can see my eyebrow is just good to go, and you can start defining using your concealer, but for me I like using the black eye pencil to add more color. And especially if you are working on a dark skinned person, don't skip this process, it's so effective. I'll just finish doing that, then I'll work on the other eyebrow. If you missed anything, be keen on this other eyebrow, because I'll just repeat the same process.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world.
When you're done drawing your eyebrows, go in with your concealer and your concealer brush. Always make sure your concealer brush is flat, and just apply concealer on your flat brush. Then start defining your eyebrows using the brush. So when defining your eyebrow, always start at the end of your eyebrow and make sure the concealer is lighter. And at the front part of your eyebrow, just go with a little concealer. And up to this point, guys, if you're finding this video useful, please like and leave a comment. If there's anything you'd like to ask, please ask in the comment section. And guys, you'll notice that when I'm defining my eyebrow, I'm also trying to blend out the concealer, so that when I'm blending it out with my brush or my beauty blender, I don't have to go all the way in, because I might interfere with the eyebrow itself. So when I'm done with this part, I'll just do the same process to the other eyebrow.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
I'm cleaning the top part, and guys, you can see it's just the same process, and it's easier. At this point, if you did your eyebrow like a bigger one and you want to reduce the size, I think you can also reduce it from this point. And guys, I hope you can see the kind of transition that I wanted with the eyebrow. Like for the front part, it's lighter, but when it's going to the end of the eyebrow, it's becoming darker. That's what I wanted to achieve, and I like it.
With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
So far, this is what we have, and if you have a brush like that one, a tinier brush, use it to blend out the concealer under your eyebrow. If you go in with a big brush, it will mess your eyebrow, or you can use a beauty blender. That's why I suggested that when you're defining your eyebrow, make sure that you blend the concealer using concealer brush. Just try, so that when you're blending it out at this point, it gives you an easier time. So just watch and see how I blend my eyebrow. And guys, this is it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share with a friend. Share with a friend, guys. And at this point, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.